Good day, everybody. Now I'm going to show you the front-end platform of this decentralized game that is a sort of lottery with a current jackpot that could be the prize for the winners. So let's see different steps. Now I'm connected with this wallet that is already bought 13 ticket, and now the current jackpot is 70 USDT. So let's see, for example, a first operation. You can buy, for example, 5 ticket now. Now there is the operation of the approval of the spending USDT, because we are using as money for the current lottery, the ERC20, so we need to spend this kind of things. So let's wait for MetaMask. So we have the approval, 13 USDT, because the cost for each ticket price is 7. So 35 is the price for 5 tickets. Now there is a new transaction. It is the real operation of for the spending, and so to buy the ticket. Now confirmation for this second operation in MetaMask. Purchase in progress. Now let's see what's happening. Now we are at the active lottery number 7. That means that there was before 5 lottery that has been done with their specific winners. Purchase completely successfully. So it means that now the ticket that this specific wallet bought is 18 tickets. It's possible to see the 18 tickets below. Then let's change another user. For example, let's change with another account, second account, to see what's happening, what is changing. Let's change account 2, and then we will refresh. We will refresh the page. The second wallet is not yet bought ticket in this active lottery number 6, so 0 ticket for now. But it was the winner of a previous week, previous lottery, so it can claim the prize. So, for example, we can see. No, let's vote before 10 tickets, for example. Buy tickets, then with a specific user. In the meantime, the current jackpot is increasing. Before was 70, now is 97. Let's approve for a spending of 70 USDT, as we are voting 10 tickets. Approval in progress. Just wait for this approval. But in the meantime, we can see the history of the previous active lotteries. So if I click in history, I can see what's happening in the previous 5 lotteries. Oh, in the meantime, also is opening the second transaction for the boat to buy ticket. So there is a spend 70. Okay, this is a complex table, but we can see, for example, if you look at the first line, the lottery number 1, the sold ticket was 30, the jackpot was 161, team price, because also the team of the lottery can buy something, a sort of fee. And then there was a winner, just one winner, ticket 25, this is the address of the winner. There is also, just for transparency, the random value used to calculate the winner. So everybody can calculate that the ticket 25 was the correct one. And then no unclaimed price. That means that this wallet already claimed its price. But if you look at the second lottery, were sold 35 tickets, there were 2 winners, but the second, the winner of the 29 ticket didn't yet claim his price. So there is 121 USDT to claim. And we will do this operation later. Seems strange that in the lottery 1 there was one winner, in the lottery 2 there are 2 winners, and in the lottery 3 there are 3 winners, but because the number of winners is a parameter of the smart contract, it's possible to change obviously the administrator can change the number of winners. Let's go to the list. The list is about the number of tickets in the current lottery. So now you can see that the participant in this current lottery are 2. The first participant bought 18 tickets, and the second participant bought 10 tickets. And this is the list of the tickets with each participant. So again, let's go home to see the main dashboard, and again you can see that this wallet bought 10 tickets, and now below there is the number of tickets that he bought. There are tickets from 19 to 28. Then the total ticket sold is 28, and now there is the time for the extraction. So let's go to the smart contract. Let's change to the owner of the smart contract when you can do the operation to extract the winners. So this is the right operation, that is end weekly lottery. Let's click, and we will see the extraction of the winners. Confirm. Let's wait for the winners. This is the smart contract that is managing the lottery. And in another video, we will see the detail of this complex smart contract. Okay, it seems that the operation concluded. The transaction seems to be confirmed in the blockchain. So let's see. Refresh localhost. Yeah, now the current lottery is stopped, and we'll see that there are some winners. So there were 3 winners to select, and the ticket that wins are 8, 22, 21, and 16, the third. I am connected as this wallet 0xA22B, and now the unclaimed price is 159, and then I can claim my price. Let's start. You will receive 159. Claiming progress. Price claimed successfully. Let's see in blockchain what's happening. The claim that I won is the sum of this claim plus the previous one. Let's see in blockchain what's happening. We are testing the smart contract in Sepolia. It is a testnet of Ethereum level 1. Okay, so you can see that the smart contract is sending to me exactly the USDT that I need. Let's go again to the remix to manage the operation, and now let's start with a new lottery. Let's start. Let's go. So we'll see that I'm running, yeah, with the correct smart contract, with the correct wallet, and now let's see what's happening. Just understood if the operation was confirmed. Refresh the page. Will disappear the page of the winners. And we will see that a new active lottery started. 7 lotteries started. But if you go in history, you will see the save history of the previous lottery. So let's go to the 6. Remember, 28 was the sold ticket, and again the winners were these 3, and the winners were 8, 21, 16. And this was the unclaimed price to price to still to claim. I mean, if I change again the account of the smart contract, the account of the wallet, on, you will see that it's still pending my USDT, my price. So again, let's start with a new transaction to buy a ticket for the new active lottery. Now the current jackpot is 0 and the total sold tickets are 0 because we restart again a new round of the lottery. So go on. USDT approval completed. And now you will see a new operation. This morning is very expensive, the use of the blockchain. Better to do this kind of operation in the evening or during the night. Okay, thank you.